The best build for your Kodi Diggz Xenon version 6 has now been fixed and it is officially back online today. This is fantastic news for anyone looking for a solid setup in May 2026. I have personally tested every feature inside of Diggz Xenon and everything is working perfectly. The TV guide, movies, and sports sections are all performing great. Let's jump right into the installation process so you can get this running. First, we need to download the latest version of Kodi Omega. Navigate over to the Find menu and scroll down to search. Go ahead and type in the letter D. We are looking for the downloader app. It should show up as a suggestion right away. Open that up and get it installed. If you already have it, you are one step ahead. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Click OK on the initial prompt, but then press the home button on your remote. Before we move forward, we need to adjust some settings. Go over to your settings gear and select My Fire TV. Look for the Developer Options menu now. If you do not see Developer Options, click on About. Highlight your Fire TV device name and click it 7 times. Keep clicking until the message says you are already a developer. Now hit the back button and go into Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and find Downloader. Switch this to On right now. Now hit the Home button and go to your apps list. Find the Downloader app and open it back up. In the URL bar, type in KODI.TV. This takes you to the official Kodi website. Click Go and scroll down until you see the Download Now button. Click that and then scroll down to the Android icon. Since we are using a Fire Stick, we need the Android version. This works for almost all Fire Sticks and Android devices. Select the ARM v7a 32-bit version. Make sure you choose the specific one. The download will start automatically. Just a quick tip for Tech Vibes viewers. When you first open Kodi, let it sit for a minute. It needs time to load and run internal updates. Moving too fast can cause it to crash, so just give it a moment to breathe. Now click Install to begin the setup process. Once it finishes, click Done instead of Open. We want to delete the installation file to save space on your device. Confirm the deletion and then press the Home button. Go back to your apps and find the Kodi icon. Press Continue and then you must click Allow for the permissions. If you don't click Allow, the app won't function correctly. Let it run its first time setup. Remember, Kodi is a blank slate until we add a build. Ensure you are on version 21.3 Omega. Now that it is open, go up to the gear icon for settings. Go to System and then down to Add-ons. Press right and toggle on Unknown Sources. Click Yes to confirm. Now hit the back button and go to File Manager. Select Add Source and click OK. We need to enter a specific path. Type in https://tinyurl.com/digz123. Double check that spelling because it has to be exact. Click OK and then hit OK again. The Digz123 folder should appear. This means you are on the right track. Hit the back button and go to the Add-ons menu. Select Install from zip file. Open the Digz123 folder we just created. Select the Diggz Omega repo. Wait for the notification in the top right saying the repository is installed. Now go to Install from repository. Open the Diggz repository and go to Program Add-ons. Look for the Chef Omega wizard highlighted in green. Open it and hit Install. Wait for the installation to finish and you will see a pop-up. Click OK to close it and wait for the next prompt. It will ask if you want to install a build. Click Yes. Today we are focusing on the Diggz Xenon Free version 6. This is the fresh release. Open that up and hit Continue. Let it download and install. Everything in this build is working smoothly right now. If you are new to this, Kodi is basically an all-in-one shop for your media. Sometimes it will ask if you want to install specific add-ons. Just say yes and let it finish. For the TV guide, you might need to select an update or download option in the menu. Once it completes, it will force close the app. Spend some time learning the interface. Once you master it, you won't need anything else. After the install finishes, click OK to close the app. Now it is extremely important to use a VPN when streaming. I personally use and trust IPVanish. A VPN keeps your data private and hides your activity from your internet provider. Your provider can see everything you stream and they can limit your service. I have used IPVanish for years because it is reliable. To get it, go to your search bar and type in IP. Select the app and download it. It is very affordable and you can use it on multiple devices at once. You can even share it with a friend. It is easily one of the top 3 VPNs out there. I recommend the longer plans as they are the most cost-effective. Once you sign up, just log in and hit connect. It makes your connection secure so you can stream without worry. It is definitely worth the small monthly cost for the peace of mind. Now that your VPN is active, let's open Kodi again. On this first load, let it sit for about 2 minutes. You will see pop-ups in the corner as add-ons update themselves. This is normal and it keeps your build fresh. Inside the build, you will see different sections for movies and shows. Explore the different add-ons to see which ones you like best. Some are great for sports and others are better for live TV. Find what works for your specific internet speed and device. If the app ever feels laggy or frozen, don't panic. Just go to your device settings and manage your apps. Select Kodi, hit force stop, and clear the cache. This usually fixes any minor glitches. The version 6 build is solid and I have verified it myself. Just take the time to learn the ropes. That covers the setup for today. Make sure to like this video and comment down below. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more guides on movies, shows, and sports. Share this with a friend who needs a better streaming setup. I really appreciate the support for this channel. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.